Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can delete downloaded videos on Telegram. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we're simply gonna go and start our video. For the matter, the first thing would be for you to access your Telegram on your mobile phone. Once you are done, so this kind of interface is gonna pop up, right? So go ahead. So let's say you have searched this person and this person has sent you this particular message, right? You're gonna go ahead, tap on this three dot icon, and you're gonna save to gallery, right? So once you have saved this particular video in your device, this is downloaded, right? So even if it's downloaded, you can again go back to your chat and simply tap on this three dot icon beside it and tap on this delete and tap on this also delete. You can choose this if you want to delete it for them. Are you sure you want to delete this message? And you can tap on this delete and that particular video will be deleted. Other thing would be simply going to your gallery, and here in this section, if that video has been downloaded for you, you can go and you can simply choose to delete it from your gallery as well, just like that. So that is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.